Musasizi yabari omujenyi mukuru aha mukoro gwo kushaba aha kiro ky'amataji aha Our Lady of Good Shepherd Rushoroza Cathedral omu Kabale kandi habaho no kuchinga kwa Cultus Week.
But coordination, integration of these projects in our programs, because I have been looking through the book, this is exactly what we do as government, what we discuss in the parliament almost every other day.
We shall sustain ourselves. We shall suffer, but we shall not die. That is what the President has always guided us to do. For instance, when the Americans left,
Musasizi yasima ba Cultus ahabwo kuhera omukurwanisa bworo mwihanga.
We have discussed that it is very important, if we still want Caritas to thrive, to support our people and help them out of poverty. We have seen that we need to have at least each diocese to have one social enterprise that it can do very well.
The meeting on Wednesday, somebody proposed mindset change. Part of our mindset change and part of the way to help us in together, trying to work together and journey together.
Abebembezi ba Cultus bayereka ngu omusandi bamazire Kabale batiroho buryo obwo kwebisaho obw'empabuhwezi ziri kuchendera. Omugandi omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga retired Major Jessica Arupo yashabanya Uganda kwetaba mu program za government ezigenderire kubihomboro. Yabari omu kushaba kwa mataji ahakezia ya Vilka omu Rurembo Fort Poto.
Programs of government. But I would like to use this chance, if Lord Bishop allows me, to remind you that it is your responsibility to always respond promptly and expeditiously to all government programs.
Alpo yashaba bakuru b'amadini okukorekera kubasika okwateraho government omukumanisa abantu a program eziriho kurwanisa obworo.
Part of the advocates all about, especially the rural communities who may not have access to the radios, but they have access to the religious leaders, to always remind them.
Two crucial and very important pledges. These pledges are not only crucial or important to the community of Fort Poto and this region at large, but also to government, because they are going to increase the tax base, to create employment, and also to add value to our commodities.
Yokongera na ubuntu kwa mije kwea sobole kwera kutangira no kwegera hali pamoja Yesu Kristo kuraba bintu dena.
Misa yabembera Bishop wa Fort Poto Diocese Robert Muhirwa akiki kandi yahanangiriza abantu okukora terecho kureberaho cya Yesu.
Kristo kwendaise ya kufera salama anatuma abambata anga.
Gasha kwa Job na Manya na Jordan Singwele.